students, we have learned the laws of exponent. Now let's have a quick review on those laws of exponents. So first law, if base is same and powers are different in case of multiplication, like this, 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 3. Now you can see the bases are same, powers are different, means exponents are different. In that case, we will add the powers. So it will be equal to 3 raised to the power 5. So in general, for any rational number a raised to the power m multiply by a raised to the power n. Now here the bases are same, powers are different, then it will be equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Powers will add it. Clear? Now second law of exponent. If base are same, powers are different or exponents are different in case of division, like this, 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 2. Now here you can see bases are same, powers are different. So it will be equal to 4 minus 2, means power get subtracted. Clear? So for any rational number a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n will be equal to a raised to the power m minus n. Clear? Sometime 3 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 7. Now here bases are same, powers are different, so the power will subtracted. So it will be 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 will be equal to 3 raised to the power minus 2. Don't think the greater number will come first. No. Always subtract m minus n, whether it is greater or smaller. So 5 will come first. Is that clear? So 3 raised to the power minus 2, you can write it as 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2. Clear? We can expand positive powers only. So to expand it, you have to make it positive. Okay? If 3 raised to the power minus 2, you can write it as 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2. 3 into 3. So its value will be 1 by 9. Clear? Now, our third law of exponent. If bases are different and powers are same, means m, but bases are different in case of multiplication as well as in case of division, like this, 5 raised to the power 2 into 6 raised to the power 2. Here exponents are identical, same, but bases are different. In that case, you will multiply the bases and write the power which is identical, that is 2. But some student by mistake do like this, 5 into 6, 2 plus 2. Even they apply both rules, first and this rule. No, apply only one rule. If powers are same, bases are different, the base will be multiplied. We'll get the same power. Is that clear? So for any rational number a raised to the power m multiply by b raised to the power m. Here bases are different. So it will be equal to a into b raised to the power m. Similarly, in case of division, a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. So it will be equal to a divided by b raised to the power m. Is that clear? So, next rule. For any rational number raised to the power m and again raised to the power n, means power of power. Power of power means become more powerful, means powers gets multiplied. Like this. 5 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 4 will be equal to 5 raised to the power 8. Clear? So, any rational number raised to the power m and again raised to the power n will be equal to a raised to the power m into n, means mn. Power of power. More powerful. Is that clear? And one more law that I have told you. Any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1. For example, it is a rational number. Okay? A is any rational number. So it may be positive, it may be negative, like this. Minus 7 raised to the power 0, 1. Minus 5 upon 4 raised to the power 0, 1. So any non-zero number, any non-zero rational number raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1. Is that clear? So these are the different laws of exponent. And while solving the question, we have to write the law as well. Okay? Which law you are using in that question, you have to write that law. Like this. 2 raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power 7. It will be equal to, bases are same, powers are different. So powers will be added. Now which law you are using here? A raised to the power m multiply by a raised to the power n. So you have to write the law in the bracket. You are using this law. So these all are the laws of exponents. So first law, if bases are same, exponents are different. In case of multiplication, the powers will be added, and in case of division, the powers will be subtracted. And if bases are different, powers are same, so the bases will be multiplied with the same power. And same in the case of division, the bases are different, powers are same, so the bases will be divided. Okay? Power of power means power gets multiplied. And any non-zero number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Is that clear? So now we will do the questions based on these laws, and you have to write the law in the bracket in your answer for which you are using. Clear?